In this video we show the fabrication of densified delignified wood, which represents a new lightweight, high performance and bio-based material.
The presented closed mold densification and in particular vacuum processing combines shaping, densification and drying in a simple and scalable approach.
Densified cellulose materials could be an attractive alternative to other plant fiber or glass fiber composites and may potentially find application in automotive industry.
To begin, mount a stainless steel sample holder in a crystallizing dish and place a magnetic stir bar below the sample holder. Stack 1.5 mm thick radial cut spruce veneers on top of the holder and separate them by metal meshes or metal mesh stripes. Prepare a 1:1 volume mixture of 30 weight % hydrogen peroxide and glacial acetic acid, and pour the mixture into the crystallizing dish until the veneers are fully covered. Soak the samples in the solution at room temperature overnight while stirring at 150 rpm. In the morning, heat the solution to 80 degrees Celsius on the stir plate and run the reaction for 6 hours for full delignification. Adjust the delignification time depending on the sample thickness. After delignification, pour the delignification solution into an empty beaker and let it cool down before disposal. Gently rinse the delignified veneers multiple times with deionized water. Then fill the crystallizing dish with deionized water to continue washing the veneers without stirring. Replace the water.